hair that I'm gonna be using today are the authentic Nubian twist pre-loop 10-inch hair. So I just want to give a big shout out, a big thank you to Samsbeauty for sending me this crochet twist. I'm about to show you how I'm gonna use them. If you want to see how I got that hairstyle, then keep watching. All right, so you already know what it is. Get your hair well moisturized and wet because you need it to be freshly washed for this hairstyle. Now that your hair is already sectioned, you're going to want to oil up your scalp and oil up your hair with some Tuffy oils so that you're able to blow dry it and have it looking flourishing. Alright, so every time I wash my hair, I always put the oil in my root and on the strands of my hair, rub it in right before blow drying. And I use it as a protectant and so that I don't have too much oil in my hair because I do have low porosity hair and I don't want the oils to just run straight down. I want them to be nicely saturated inside. So yes, y'all, 8 inches of hair in 2 years, I feel like that is a great accomplishment for me. So now we're going to part my hair into a middle part. So I was trying to do a style before, but it didn't work out. So I just decided to put it up into 2 buns and call it a day. So we're about to make this braidless painless, okay? So what we want to do is take 1 strand of hair and we want to take a crochet needle. So we're going to take our crochet needle and push it through our hair right before where the ponytail starts. We're going to hook the crochet needle onto the hair and pull the hair through and knot it off. Now we're going to do that all the way around the circumference of the bun, well, of the root of the bun. And then once that's full, we're going to push it underneath the bun and pull it through and knot it off so that it keeps the bun in place. And then we're going to stick the hair through the bun and pull it through so that it covers the whole bun. Now, I know you see from right here that it doesn't look like much. So I just kept putting hair through the bun, pulling it through and knotting it off. And then once I saw that it was getting to be enough, I started pulling the twist apart to make it into a fluffy little ponytail. So once I fluffed out everything, I took the 2 strands of hair in the front, corrected the part, put rubber bands on them so that I could separate them. And then I took the crochet needle with the crochet hair, pushed it under and pulled one side through. And then I took one of those bangs in the front, split it in half with each crochet weave and twisted it together so that it looks like it's my actual hair. The rubber band method really helps for people who cannot box braid or who doesn't know how to do feed-in twists with crochet hair or with synthetic hair, like me. So yeah, then I took those 2 strands, tied it around the ponytails because I didn't like how it was looking when it was hanging off my face. And then I just went right in to cutting the ponytails to making them look smaller because I thought they looked too big on me. So I just wanted them to be a little even and a little bit more fluffy and a little bit more shorter instead of hanging down to my shoulders. And of course, guys, if there's still hair in between that has not been pulled apart, make sure you pull that apart so that it doesn't have that unnatural twisting look to it and it looks more like your real hair. Don't forget to get every part of the ponytail, front, back, side, and bottom. y'all, so this is how it came out. And let me tell you, at first I was worried that I wouldn't like it, but now listen, okay, I am feeling these two puffs. It made my small puffs come to something greater, and it looks very natural. I'm loving this, mind you. So if I kept it with the natural spiral texture, it would have looked like a lot like this, or per se, like it would have looked a lot like this little curl right here. So I just decided to open them up, and it actually came to my actual hair texture, which I really appreciate. Like, this looks great. I was worried before because the puffs were a little big. It was at the 10-inch mark, and I was worried that it would look too big for me because I'm a small girl, I have a small head. I don't want nothing, you know, looking a little out of place and looking unnatural. But with a little snip here and there, everything came out fine. Everything came out beautiful. And I could go with a natural face, or I could go with a beat face. It doesn't matter. Like, I'm feeling this. I'm looking very Afrocentric. I look like I could go to Curl Fest. Don't touch my hair. Like, literally. Listen. Okay. So you guys, I don't have anything to say except that this hairstyle, all of this came out spectacular. Like, everything came out great. Everything came out beautiful. So yeah, guys, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. Hit that bell so you can get notified for when I drop more videos just like this one. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching.